Hello, my fellow disabled entrepreneurs. My name is Shane Bratby. I am the founder of disabledentrepreneurs.co.uk, the co-founder of kaleidoscopeinvestors.com. I also own 6 more companies. As well, I sold my first business back in 2010. And this made me quite profitable. If you would like more information about this and me, please Google my name. All you need to do is go see that box. All you need to do is insert your email address into that box. Then we can send you the 29 free business templates, all for free. All I ask in return is for you to watch the next video. That's it. That's it. All I ask is for you to watch the next video and you'll receive my 29 personal business templates that I have used in the past to create a 6-figure. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.